So, good afternoon, boys and girls. Guess what? It's raining. So you're like, so what the F does that mean? That means it's a good time to go up in the river and look for tarpon and snook. We're in a summertime pattern right now. We're getting the afternoon rainstorms, and it is a great time. It's not raining really hard. It's just a light rain to go check out up in the river. So that's what we're going to go do. We're going to go check it out up in the river. We're going to see if we can get on some big snook and maybe some little tarpon, and hopefully we can get her done. So if I catch them, you'll see them. If not, I'm trying to drive. Actually, I'm stopping at CVS to get some silicone earplugs so I can stuff them in my camera so it doesn't get wet. So hopefully we'll catch them. Hopefully my camera won't get wet, and hopefully you'll see them. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, I honestly don't have any idea how this is going to work. This is the first time I've tried this. I have a microphone underneath my rain jacket, and I'm wearing the chest mount, which I don't really like because I feel like it obstructs a lot of the view, but that's just kind of the way it's going to happen today with the rain and stuff. It was just easier that way. I can keep the microphone underneath, and maybe possibly you guys can hear some audio, okay, so it's not all muffled out. I have the other camera on the back right there so you can get a better view. So we're gonna go check it out and see if we can find some fish. So let's go see what happens. It's like the Boy Scouts are having their chants. Sounds like friggin' Kong Island from Universal when I was there last week. Right? So I saw a couple fish on this spot right here. Is a little sandbar, so I'm gonna check it out real quick, and if it doesn't work out, we're just gonna keep moving on. Tide's really high right now, so I'm not exactly sure where the fish are going to be. They might be up in the bushes. Guess I'm going to be buying some new line here. Alright, if you guys are ever in a jam and you get a knot like this that you can't get out because you're fucking pissed, cut it out and retie a uniknot and keep fishing. Don't spool all the line off. Alright, you're gonna have a much easier time throwing this with the knot in it than you will a spool that's damn near empty. So that's your tip for today. Alright, we're gonna make a cast or two more, and then we're gonna go get on out of here. I got a feeling the tarpon are going to be all the way up in the river with the tide being this high. I don't know. We'll see. That's the problem usually is finding them. So that's why we move a lot. Just keep looking for them. Because they'll move around depending on the tide. and the time of day and whatnot. Fucker. There's definitely a boat up in the river. That makes things complicated. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't even know what that was. Wow. I have no idea what that was. It was a huge, that scared the hell out of me. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. Oh, I lost him. Damn it. That was definitely a tarpon. That was definitely a tarpon. Motherfucker. Oh, another one. Missed it too. Fully missed it. Little tarpon. They're really small tarpon. Oh. Oh. That one. Dang. Maybe it's a snook. I don't know. No, it's a snook. There we go. Oh, lost him right there. Damn. Alright. Just really picking my way through this really slow. Oh. There's a lot of fish right here. Come on, eat it, buddy. This is ridiculous. He just keeps popping on it and popping on it. Come on. Alright. Definitely some like smaller fish. I definitely think I'm going to be putting a zoom on. There we go. There we go. That's a good tarpon. That's a good tarpon. There we go. Okay. That's a good, that'll work. That'll definitely work. That's a nice little tarpon. Nice tarpon. There we go. He's got it pretty securely in his mouth too. That'll work. Okay. There he is over there. Oh God. We're on the pole here. Alright. He's got it pretty good, so that'll work. Whoops. I gotta go grab my tire him out a little bit. He's got it pretty good. He ain't that big, but he'll do. That's for sure. Let's go get it. Yeah, on the bottom of the jaw. Wow, look at that. He ain't happy. Always interesting to get him on the boat with treble hooks. So let's see. Here he is right here. So we get a hold of him. I got him. Come on, buddy. Give me a break. Yeah, he got on the bottom for sure. Okay. Well, it's gonna be interesting getting that hook out. Hold on, buddy. Get you on the boat. There you go. We'll take that hook out of you. It's not that bad. Oh, he's a nice sized tarpon. He's not bad at all. There you go. Nice little tarpon up in the river. Gotta love it. Check it out. I'm not used to this camera. I like it. He's got a little chunk to him too. So let's let him go. Alright. Let's see if I can do this. I don't make a mess. Nice fish. He's all beat up on his top, eh? Yeah. There it goes. See you later, bye. Alright, so we're rolling. One tarpon on the board. I like it. Let's see if we can do a little better. I'm feeling I should retie this leader. That's a good, oh, that was a good one. Oh my God. That was a good tarpon. Wow. Wow, that was a good fish. Damn. I wasn't paying attention. Wow, that was a bigger one. There we go. Oh, that's a snook. That's a big ass snook. That's a huge snook. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just lost him. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow, that's horrible. Oh my God. That was a huge snook. Oh, that was sad. That's sad. That's sad. He fully had it in his mouth too. Look at that fray. Oh my God. That's not fair. That's so not fair. Oh. He frayed the hell out of it too. At first I thought it was a tarpon. You know what? It was a snook. Hit it twice. Damn. I thought I was going for a ride on that one. Oh, we got it. Oh, we already got it. Oh, nice bass. That'll work. I'm not complaining about that at all. Oh, I lose him right there. You gotta be kidding me. I'm calling that a... Wow. That's horrible. Okay, number one, I need to buy a new rain jacket. Like, you wouldn't believe. I have 2 rain jackets and they both suck. I am like a drowned rat right now. We had a lot of opportunities to catch fish. It seemed like the fish were all concentrated in one section. But we had a lot of misses. You know, I got that tarpon. I missed a bunch of tarpon, some little snook and stuff, and I'm not really that disappointed about missing little tarpon because that definitely happens. You know, you go tarpon fishing a lot of times, like I catch one, hold on one second, turn wipers off for a second here. I catch 1 or 2 tarpon a night, and that's a good night for tarpon for me, or for anybody for that matter. You jump a couple fish, you catch 1, you bring 1 to the boat, that's a good night. But I am definitely disappointed that I lost that snook. I thought it was a tarpon at first, but it was definitely a snook. I'm going to look at the footage, hopefully I can see, but his tail came out of the water the first time, and then he came back and hit it again, and I really don't know what happened. I mean, the leader was chafed up this far up from the lure, and he definitely had it in his mouth, but I don't know, the hooks didn't set or anything. He must have had his mouth closed, and he opened his mouth up, and that was it. It was over. I thought he took a nice long run, and I thought I had him hooked, but I didn't. So, I mean, kind of disappointed with that one. But, I mean, what are you going to do? That's fishing, and that's the way it goes sometimes. So, we're just going to move on. I'm going to go get a hot shower and something to eat and warm my ass up because I'm cold as hell right now. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you next time. Thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing, and do all that fun stuff. And I'm glad you can see me all soaking wet. So anyways, I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.